everyone, this is Dave from Mountbatten Estates. Today we're actually in the Hilton Hotel in Wembley for our signature site finding workshop that we do every 2 months. I've literally got the whole day planned out for us. So to begin with, we're going to be speaking about planning, de-risking all the potential planning constraints that you have typically on a development site. Then we're going to be looking at fixing planning refusals, finding lapse planning applications, consented withdrawn schemes. Then we're going to be finding and creating these opportunities from scratch. So we're going to be looking at settlement boundaries, we're going to be finding airspace and PD opportunities and garden and land assembly. Then we've got the Nimbus guys coming down to talk us through how to use this incredible off-market site finding tool and how we can use that to our advantage to find these off-market development opportunities. I've got tons of examples which I'm going to use today. I'm going to show you how all this works, how we find these interesting opportunities, how we reach out to these landowners, how do we structure these win-win opportunities, how do we structure these joint venture opportunities, what contracts do we need to use. So, you know, we're trying to be ethical here, we're trying to find a win-win for everyone. Then we're going to be talking about what can we get on the land. So my architect, she's here, she's ready to go. We're going to be talking about what can we get on the land, constraints, issues, neighbours, overlooking, right to light, access, everything all comes into play. Then we've got Joe, my broker, who's actually going to be talking about finance. How creative can we be with the finance? That's the whole makeup and the structure of the day. You have missed out, but don't worry, we run this every 2 months. So please do feel free to come back to us, have a chat and a conversation with us, and let me show you how good this is, and maybe even get you booked on for the next one. What we put off might be that. I would normally do the build.
Hi there, I'm Andrew Green from Nimbus Maps. We're here at the Hilton today at the Mountbatten Estates event. Today I've talked about how Nimbus Maps can help people find and assess and connect with all the various stakeholders involved in achieving their property goals, finding those development opportunities. We've had a fantastic session today, loads of good questions, a mix of users, non-users, all using this software to help them find opportunities. Hopefully you can join us next time where we'll give another talk about how people can find their next site.
Wow, what a first part of the morning. We covered so much content. We're talking about planning, architecture, site finding, dealing with planning applications, refusals, finding lapse planning applications. We're talking about developing, how you can develop office buildings into an Article 4. Then I showed you all the different ways, myself and my team, how we find these interesting opportunities. So much content was covered, it's incredible. So many really good questions answered as well. Nimbus is actually just finishing up right now. We're going to stop for lunch. Then we're going to be talking about architecture, constraints, what can we get on the land? How can we create these win-win opportunities?
Hi, I'm Anna. I run my architectural and interior design practice here in London for 10 years. And I'm here today to talk about basic feasibility appraisal for potential development which our fellow developers can find. So I'm going to talk about planning restrictions, what we should look at. I'm going to talk about physical restriction, which comes together with the land, with topography, with the surrounding. And I'm going to talk about other restrictions, such as building regulation. So I hope it would help our developers to do that basic feasibility research and basic feasibility appraisals themselves.
And then we're into live site finding. Unfortunately, when you come to my event, I do make you work for your money, so you are going to be live side finding yourself when you come to this event, and then we're going to be talking about finance. How can we be creative with the finance to create these no money down developments?
Hi, I'm Joe Guilfoyle from Orium Finance. I came to speak today about the importance of the team, and today I help the audience understand how to raise up to 100% finance for their property developments, and told them a bit more about different equity structures, mezzanine finance, senior debt. Hopefully you joined us today, but if you couldn't make it, then please join us at the next event.
So what we are doing right now is we're live site finding. So finding those interesting corner plots, infills, airspace opportunities, fixing those refusals, so finding those last planning applications, and just creating those opportunities as back garden land off market opportunities. So it's quite exciting. We've actually found quite a lot of sites already. Now, it's only been an hour, so we've probably found at least 30-40 sites. Thing that kind of comes to mind is that one there. I'm probably looking to explore. Do you want to bring that one up and show the team?
Hi, I'm Michael from the Remix Group. I'm here today because I'm fairly new to the world of property developing, and so far already I've got so much out this morning, really getting deep insight into the whole world of planning and also what the potential of using great data can do to help you gain competitive advantage in this space. So
I came along today to Mountbatten Estates really to see what Dave was offering and whether the VA service was going to really work for what my needs were, which is really about site finding. Today I've really learned some really golden nuggets, and that's going to help us develop our development company. It's been great to network with some really high level individuals as well.
What an incredible day. So much content, so many good questions, so many sites found. We really delved into planning, architecture, site finding, joint ventures, option contracts, what it takes to find these sites, put these deals together. Then, how do we fund these deals? We talked about no money down development or little money down developments. So obviously you've missed this one, but don't worry, we actually run this every 2 months. It does book up and it does get full, so what I'm going to suggest, give me a call, have a chat with me and my team, let me tell you a little bit more what to expect on the day, but also check out this video and check out the other video that we've got on YouTube, which gives you and highlights some of the interesting stuff that we talk about and cover on these workshops. So bye for now.